Welcome to this AllyCAD User Guide Tutorial 3 on more advanced drawings. In this tutorial, we will discuss duplicating entities using the repeat function. The repeat function allows you to duplicate entities a number of times with a specific distance or angle between them in either a rectangular or a polar format. If you've not already done so, check out our other tutorials. To begin with, we'll set up our paper size and scale. Select Settings, Drawing Settings, and set the paper size to A3. And the scale to 1 is to 1 millimeters, and click OK. We need to draw something to duplicate. Select Draw, Rectangle. Press the H key to move to the center of the screen and press Enter to indicate the first point. Press the left arrow and type in 50 to move 50 to the left. Press Enter once. Press the down arrow and type in 100 to move down 100, and press Enter once to move to the position and a second time to lock the cursor in that position. Right-click and select Quit to end the function. Select the rectangle by clicking on it. Select Modify, Repeat, and make sure that the rectangular radio button is selected. Increase the repeat times to 3 and click on the Done button to accept the changes. Jump to the top left-hand corner of the rectangle and press Enter to select the original set. Press the right arrow and type in 60 to indicate the distance to move, and press Enter and Enter again to indicate the repeat set. Press Escape to deselect all the entities. Click the Undo button so that we can repeat the function using another option. Select the rectangle again and select Modify, Repeat. Make sure that the rectangular option is still selected and decrease the number of times to 2. Click on the Done button to accept the changes. Jump to the top left-hand corner of the rectangle and press Enter to indicate a point on the repeat set. Move the cursor to a position that you'd like the rectangles repeated and click to have the selection repeated. Press Escape to deselect the rectangles. Click the Undo button so that we can repeat this function, this time using the polar option. Select the rectangle by clicking on it. Select Modify, Repeat. Click on the polar radio button and increase the number of repeat times to 6. We will use the angle between option and input an angle of 60 degrees. Click on the Done button to accept the changes. Jump to the top right-hand corner of the rectangle using the J key and press Enter to indicate the point on the repeat set. Press Escape and the rectangle has been repeated 6 times. Click Undo so that we can repeat this function, this time using the total angle option. Select the rectangle one final time by clicking on it. Select Modify, Repeat. We will use a polar repeat and 6 times. We will change the angle between to the total angle and leave the total angle at 60 degrees. Click on the Done button to accept the changes. Jump to the top left-hand corner of the rectangle and press Enter. Press Escape to deselect the repeat sets. You can see the difference between the angle between and the total angle. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Look out for our next tutorial and visit our website to find out more about AllyCAD.